Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University in Mechanical branch and today's date is 10 December 2020. And today's topic is this keyword in Java and super keyword in Java. This keyword in Java, there can be lot of usage of this keyword. In Java, there is a reference variable that refers current object. Java, this keyword usage of Java, this some use six, there are six uses of Java keyword. First one, this can be used to refer current class instead variable. This can be used invoke current class method implicitly. Third, this can be used invoke current class constructor. Fourth, this can be passed as an argument in the method call. This can be passed as argument in constructor call. And fifth, this can be used retain current class instant from method. First one, this to refer current class instant variable. This keyword can be used to refer current class instant variable. If there is a ambiguity between the instant variable and parameters, this resolve the problem ambiguity. Second, this invoke current class method. You may invoke the method of current class by using this keyword. If you don't use this keyword, compiler automatically add this keyword while invoking the method. Let's see the example. Third one, this invoke current class constructor. This constructor can be used invoke current class constructor. It is used the reuse constructor in the other way, use constructor chaining. Real uses of this constructor call, this constructor call should be use reuse constructor from constructor. It maintain chain between the constructor, that is use constructor chaining. Let's see the fourth use of this. This to pass an argument in the method. This keyword can be also passed an argument in method. It mainly used in event handling. Application of this can be passed as an argument in event handling in a situation where we have provided reference of a class another one. It is used to reuse object in many methods. Fifth one, this to pass a argument in the constructor call can pass this keyword in the constructor also. It is useful. We have used one object multiple classes in this keyword. Second one is super keyword in Java. The super keyword in Java reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. Whenever you create an instance subclass, an instant parent class is created implicitly which referred by the super reference variable. Uses of Java super keyword. The super can be used refer immediate parent class instead variable. Super can be used invoke immediately parent class. Super can be used invoke immediately parent constructor class constructor. First one, super use refer immediately parent instead variable. We can use super keyword to access the data member of field of parent class. It is used if parent class child same field. The above example animal and dog both classes common properly color. We print color properly current color class default access parent properly. We need use super keyword. Super can be used to invoke parent class method. The super keyword can be also be used to invoke parent class method. It should be used if class subclass contain same method parent class. In other words, it is used method overwritten. Super is used to invoke parent class constructor. Super keyword can be also used to invoke parent class constructor. For example, real use. Let's see the real use of super keyword. Here is a emp class inherited person class. All the properties person will be inherited. Emp by the default it is initialized property. We are using parent class constructor from child class. In such way we are using the parent class constructor. This is reverse keyword in Java, that is we can't use identify. This is use refer current class instead as well as static member. This can be used in various constraints as given below. To refer instant variable of current class, to invoke or initiated current class constructor can be passed as an argument method. Can be passed as an argument in the method constructor call can be used to return the current class instant. Super keyword. Super keyword is a reserved keyword in Java. We can't use is as an identifier. Super is a to refer class in instant as a well static member. Super also used to invoke super class and method or constructor. Thank you for watching.